I'm Alan Singer. I'm a lawyer. I work at the law office of Anna Tseytlin. We work on personal injury insurance, immigration cases. We help a lot of immigrants. I really like helping people. My client worked with his body for a living. He relied on his body to do physical labor like moving, working in warehouses. He was a Taylor Swift roadie at one point. He went to work at a temp agency and they assigned him to this location. He was working in the warehouse when he was bent down doing his job, taking notes. Someone with a pallet jack was looking the other way and moving this pallet jack, didn't see him there, and crushed him between a beam that was embedded in the floor and the pallet jack. There were a number of considerable obstacles. The client was not the most articulate person. He didn't have the benefit of going to law school or presenting cases in court. There was no video. There were no photos. There was just this anecdote that there was some sort of crush involving a pallet jack. Defense was not producing any information until after we sued to get the information, their report, and even that didn't explain things very clearly. The objective or the goal of this case was to help this man get some measure of reasonable compensation for what had happened to him and what he was likely to go through in the future. The defense brought forth a lot of challenges with regard to both liability and damages. They challenged us at every step. They refused to admit that this really even happened, that it really hurt him, and it was totally then reliant on our client, the only witness to this, to try to describe this. He did the best he could, but I knew that if a jury heard what he said, they would not understand. That's where DK Global's video was critical. The collaboration that we had between our experts and my client and DK Global was very helpful. We set up video conferences. We had calls where we were each in 3 different states. I needed it to happen quickly, and it did. I was happy with the response. I can share that prior to entering into a mediation, which was fairly short before trial, that there was no money offered. It was very gratifying after years of work to finally see acknowledgement. And it was a significant result. It was a team. DK Global had a team of people that worked on different pieces of the work that needed to be created. The advantages of using video recreations that DK Global can help you get is that you will have a product that will bridge critical gaps in the proof necessary, and very importantly, it will persuade the defense to have a serious conversation about the case.